nakatago. Medyo maliliit ito. Okay. Tsaka doon pa sa loob. Meron ba? Yes. Yep. Medyo nakatago to eh. Ay, baluktot siya. Bumaluktot. Ito lang ba? Funny looking. Dami din. So, doon tayo sa kabila kong tanim. Right. Look at that. Oh, ang ganda. Hitik na hitik sa bunga. Kunin natin to. Tingnan nyo. Nakatago lang. Tsaka, tingnan nyo guys. Ang dami. Nice. Wala na. Okay. Ito lahat yung ating beans. Wow. Good for 1 meal na siya, oh. Saute lang to sa garlic with butter. Tsaka ito. Meron pa tayong isang kamatis dito. Maganda to na siya ng klase. Costoloto Genovese na variety. Tingnan niyo yung shape niya. Ganda. That's it. Our water spinach here, but the berries. So windy today guys. Kasi natutumba yung mga halaman ko.
The more you harvest ng water spinach, the more siya tutubo. And sa akin, gusto ko siya sa pinakamababa pa siya, pinuputol.
Dami na oh. Libreng kangkong, isang tangkay. Magkano? Ilang dollars pa to? Tingnan nyo naman. Wow. At mayroon pala tayong 2 strawberries that are ready for harvest. Sobrang red na siya. Matamis na to for sure. And then the other one, pwede na din. Look at that. Fresh strawberries from the garden. Sobrang hangin. Oh, grabe yung ano ng puno. Natutumba yung mga halaman ko. So, aayusin ko pa. Ito, dahil sa sobrang hangin. Kaya, ito, nabali natin kasi kung nadagdagan, sayang naman. Ayusin ko to. Masyadong nabuto sa ano ng hangin. Patagilid na. Tulog-tungan ko pa itong mga stick. We're here in the backyard. So, my tomatoes has been going crazy. And look at them. They're over the fence now. So, what I'm gonna do is to top them off at the fence level so they don't go over the neighbor's side. So I'm gonna tidy them up. I'm just cutting the top off. Ito. Focus. Yung ano dito, yung shoot. Pinutol ko na para hindi na siya tataas. May flower pa kasi dito. So, I don't have the heart to cut everything off, including the flowers. So, putulin ko lang siya like this. I let this flowers grow and then cut off the ends. Yan. And then throw it away as well as this one. May maliliit pa siya na flowers. Nasasayangan talaga ako pero they're too high now. And then it's really difficult to harvest them as well. Just pinch off the tops so they don't grow. So harvesting time again ng strawberry. Every 2 days nag-harvest kami ng strawberry. Hindi sila nagre-red all together. Nice big one. And then we cover them back again. Wow, so red.
Yep.
Nice. Perfect. Lovely. So we have 6 strawberries. So every other day, May strawberries kami nakukuha. He's enjoying his fresh strawberries. How is it? Good?
Sweet.
Nice. Sweet. I'll have this
This one.
this super red. Fresh and red strawberry. It's actually sweet. Iba talaga pag bagong pitas. Binitas mo siya na ripe compare sa nabibili sa grocery na pag ganun ka ripe. Very good. Pruning off my tomatoes kasi masukal na siya. So, mag-pruning tayo. Bawasan natin yung mga dahon-dahon dito para maka-circulate naman yung hangin dito sa loob. Tomato. The fruits are visible now after pruning all the leaves. And look how much leaves I pruned. Yep. This morning, meron tayong squash na ready na to pollinate. So, i-hand pollinate natin siya to make sure na maano siya talaga, mag-turn siya into fruit. So, ito siya. This is the female flower. And then what we're going to do is find and look for a male flower. And then you would know that this is a male flower kasi straight lang yung stalk niya. Parang wala siyang bump in between. So, ito ay male flower. We'll take this off. Is to remove the petals. Make it as gentle as you can. Ni-remove na natin yung mga petals niya. What we're going to do is to gently brush the male flower off to the female flower. And then you can see yung mga pollens sa gilid-gilid. The pollens. That's why it's called pollination. We'll wait for maybe 1 to 2 days. Mag-dry na din to yung flowers niya, yung petals niya. Just like that. This is 1 day or 2 days ahead. That one. 1 day or 2 days ahead yan. Okay.